Okay, so this is my new, to me, turbo kit that did 3 days. So it fitted dyno and then drove for 3 days, paid, I think he said, almost like 398, almost 400 brake horsepower on 98, and then close to 500 on EA5. And then the kid wanted more power, so they pulled it all off. And this is the Borg Warner EFR 8374 with 1.85 external wastegate, which I looked at buying it probably 6 months ago. I looked at ordering this from Turbo Source, whatever they call, and I was going to buy a G35 900 brand new full kit from Pack Racing and called race only. Bought stuff from him before. I asked him about a turbo kit and could have done it, could have made it. The main thing was the dump pipe that he didn't like doing, and he said he had this in there from a customer. So yeah, it was cheap. It was like half price of a new one. And for me, 500 brake horsepower, max, perfect. So we'll do that. Brand new Turbosmart wastegate. Saw the pipes there, saw that. Like I said, brand new. Oil turn, water lines done. Intake, dump pipe, full dump pipe over there, 3.5. Full 3.5, yeah, well, full dump pipe, 3.5, full TIG welded, down to 3. Go straight on my shitty 3-inch one I've already got, and it does have the pump back in case I want to do that later, as well as everything else. All the stuff from before, the pretty blue billet, the AST delete and oil filler, baffled oil filler housing, which will go straight to my radium catch can thing. And I'm waiting on a power steering billet, power steering reservoir, which will be, I don't know, a week, couple of weeks. They get that, and there was something else as well that I'm waiting on. Get that, so all I need for this is that clamp, which I didn't get. I got that one there. So I'll hit up home after that, and then I have to figure out the intake pipe from my shitty LHKS intercooler. I should get a new one, but yeah, we will see how hard it is. And yeah, but I still got to rebuild it. All the shit's over there. Got Omar's got Apex seals. I got all the gaskets, water seal kit. Everything else I can think of. All I'm waiting on is side seals, corner seals, springs, yada yada yada, all the normal stuff for a full rebuild. It's all coming from Japan. It'll be here end of the month, start of next month. So I basically gotta clean up all the housings. They're fine, but so clean them up, get them all perfect, as good as they can be. Everything's sorted. I've got all the stuff all printed out, printing more shit, fit it together, and then when everything turns up, I can actually chuck it together. It'll all be sweet. Hold it all together, throw it in, and hopefully it runs. And then see if my Power FC with the FC tweak, and see if I blow it up or not.